For this year's reporting season, we're expecting mid to high single-digit growth figures over most of the market. A lot of it will rely on the bigger stocks, some of the banks, Wesfarmers, Telstra, Woolies, those kind of companies. The first stock I'd like to talk about is the Commonwealth Bank. Commonwealth Bank's been in the media quite a lot recently in regards to their financial planning division, but we really don't think that this is going to have a massive impact on the share price or earnings for that matter. The market's expecting about 3% earnings growth, but I think we're going to see a little bit higher than that, and I think CBA is going to have quite a good result. Two of the other stocks that we like out there in the market are in the healthcare sector. Healthcare continues to have the good demographics that we want to see from our companies. A couple of those companies, Ramsay Healthcare and CSL, and the market's expecting double-digit growth there in earnings for the coming reporting season. Healthcare is a good spot to be looking at, and we're expecting positive growth there. Telstra is the next stock that we think is going to have an interesting reporting season. They're a much loved income stock, and what we've seen in the past is really Telstra's earnings continuing to be flat really for the last sort of 5, even 10 years. They're finally starting to improve their earnings. They look like they're going to increase their earnings from 32 to 33 cents. Now QBE's results are probably about 6 months away, but importantly we need to see some earnings recovery. The market was expecting about an $800 million profit last year before they had their $1 billion write-down. The write-down was a bit of a shock to the market, and we really want to see no write-downs and good earnings sort of back closer to the $1 billion mark. Two other stocks that we're looking at just in the financial sector are Macquarie Bank and Computershare. Computershare and Macquarie are interesting stocks because they're aligned with mergers and acquisition activity and really what happens in the share market. If we've seen the share market do quite well, then we've seen Computershare and Macquarie do quite well. So all of those stocks there will really give us an outlook as to what we're expecting for the next year and what income they can expect to be able to live off in the future.